Meaning of heaven sent.
Heaven sent.
Heaven sent.
Heaven sent.
Heaven sent. The term heaven sent is often used to describe something that is incredibly fortunate or timely, as if it were a gift from the heavens. It can refer to a person, situation, or opportunity that seems to come at just the right moment, without effort or planning on anyone's part. This phrase suggests that the good fortune is not only unexpected and lucky, but also seems to have a divine or supernatural origin. Overall, when something is described as heaven sent, it is considered to be a rare and precious blessing that shouldn't be taken for granted.